Hello, my name is Katy Oliva, and I will talk about my future goals. I consider that I am proud to achieve my goal in this life project that I plan for the future. So be an action that I must execute every day with confidence and security because nothing is easier to reach a goal it is important to work on it. With perseverance, I envisage myself successfully completing my university studies in psychology to with a goal to practice my profession and put into practice everything I have learned to generate experience and learn more every day. I also want to continue studying and in field of psychology, making a specialization and encourage more knowledge less. In the other hand, planning my professional goals led me to think that I must find a successful job in my area of professionalization that allowed me to continue growth as person as professional motivating me every day um, develop my skill attitudes that are demonstrates what I can develop easily and in my work. Thank you.